Find or read reviews that people are talking about HUAYEE MHY55 224cc remote control lawn mower. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. Powerful 224cc EPA gas engine with electric start. Equipped with a reliable 224cc EPA approved gasoline engine, this HUAYEE remote control mower delivers consistent power for residential and commercial mowing tasks. The convenient electric start system ensures quick and effortless engine ignition, eliminating the hassle of pull starting. Hybrid drive system with pure copper brushless motor. This innovative oil-electric hybrid system features a high-efficiency pure copper brushless travel motor for quiet, durable, and maintenance-free track drive. The gasoline engine powers the cutting deck exclusively, optimizing fuel efficiency while the brushless motor ensures reliable movement across the job site. All-terrain crawler design with cutting deck lift and cruise control. Featuring engineering-grade rubber tracks, this mower tackles slopes up to 45 degrees with ease. The adjustable cutting deck allows you to set the ideal grass height, while cruise control maintains consistent speed for fatigue-free operation during long mowing sessions. Industrial remote control with 200 meters range and Dozer blade compatible. The included industrial-grade remote control allows operation from up to 200 meters away, keeping you at a safe distance from hazards. A front Dozer blade is available as a separate accessory, transforming your mower into a light grading tool for site preparation. Important operating tip for steep slopes and durable construction. For slopes exceeding 30 degrees, we recommend ascending with the rear of the machine facing uphill for optimal stability and safety. Built with heavy-duty materials, this mower features LED headlights for low-light operation and comes with battery chargers for convenient recharging. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.